Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? You're eating the salads, you're hitting the treadmill, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge? It's frustrating, right? Well, science suggests it might not be your diet or your workouts that are the problem. It might be a hormonal hijack. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop your body from hoarding visceral fat by targeting the one hormone that's likely sabotaging your progress: cortisol. Let's get into how you can finally force your body to switch from storage mode to burn mode. What is visceral fat and why is it dangerous? First off, what exactly is visceral fat? Unlike the subcutaneous fat that sits right under your skin, visceral fat is stored around your internal organs like your liver, pancreas, and intestines. It's often referred to as hidden fat and is far more dangerous than subcutaneous fat because it's metabolically active. This means it secretes inflammatory molecules and hormones that can disrupt your body's normal functions. High levels of visceral fat are strongly linked to increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and even some cancers. The cortisol connection. Now, let's talk about cortisol. This is often called the stress hormone, and while it's essential for survival, chronically high levels are a problem. When you're constantly stressed, your adrenal glands pump out cortisol. Here's the kicker. Prolonged high cortisol levels actually signal your body to store fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Yep, you guessed it, visceral fat. It also increases appetite, especially for sugary and fatty foods, creating a vicious cycle. So, to burn visceral fat effectively, we absolutely must address cortisol. Strategy 1. Prioritize sleep. Our first strategy is often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Prioritize sleep. When you don't get enough quality sleep, your cortisol levels naturally rise. Think about it. A sleepless night often leaves you feeling stressed and craving unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Make your bedroom dark and cool and avoid screens an hour before bed. Good sleep helps regulate hormones, including cortisol, making it easier for your body to enter a fat-burning state. Here's an image to remind you of the importance of a good night's rest. Strategy 2. Adopt smart nutrition. Next up, nutrition. This isn't about extreme dieting, but smart choices. Cut out processed foods and refined sugars. These cause rapid blood sugar spikes, which can elevate cortisol and promote fat storage. Increase protein and fiber. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle maintenance, which is crucial for metabolism. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, helps stabilize blood sugar and support gut health. Include healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are important for hormone production and satiety. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Incorporate stress-reducing movement. Host exercise is fantastic for burning fat, but when it comes to visceral fat and cortisol, the type of exercise matters. Intense, prolonged cardio can sometimes temporarily increase cortisol. Instead, focus on a combination. Strength training builds muscle, which boosts your resting metabolism and helps with long-term fat burning. Moderate cardio, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, aim for 30 minutes most days. Mind-body practices. Yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi are excellent for reducing stress and lowering cortisol. Even a daily 10-minute walk in nature can make a huge difference. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation. This is perhaps the most direct way to attack high cortisol: mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing. Just a few minutes of deep belly breathing can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to relax. Meditation. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can significantly reduce perceived stress and cortisol levels over time. There are tons of free guided meditations online. Hobbies and social connection. Engage in activities you enjoy, spend time with loved ones, or even consider a relaxing bath. These all contribute to a sense of well-being and lower stress. So, to recap, forcing your body to burn visceral fat and drop cortisol involves prioritizing quality sleep, adopting smart whole food nutrition, incorporating a mix of strength training, moderate cardio, and stress-reducing movement, practicing mindfulness and relaxation. It's not about quick fixes, it's about consistent, sustainable lifestyle changes. Start with one or two of these strategies and build from there. Your body and your long-term health will thank you for it. Let me know in the comments below what strategies you use to manage stress and burn fat. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.